This e-bike here hauls ass. We're gonna go up this big hill right now. I'm not mounting the GoPro, you're just coming along with me. Let's go. Oh boy. We got pedal assist 4 here. Let's turn it up. Pedal assist 5, 20 miles an hour, easy. Look how steep this hill is. I'm not even sweating. 19 miles an hour. I still have 5 modes left. Not even slowing down. I'm telling you, this thing, it hauls ass. BBS02 Bafang. What do you think of the bike, Karen?
I like the bike.
Did it get up the hill okay?
It gave me the fastest ride up that hill I've ever been on an electric bike.
All right, would you recommend it?
Yeah.
Sure. Thanks, Karen. So here you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Trek Shift 2 women's specific frame here with the front suspension. Just got that BBS02 from Bafang installed. Super clean install. Really digging it. Have it SHD here over on the Fuji. Got another one now. Got the SO2. This is a 750 watt instead of 1,000 watt. And I'm telling you, this thing rips. Easy 20 miles an hour up a hill. Of course, it really depends on the gearing. Here we have a 7-speed. 14 tooth is the smallest cassette in the rear with a 44 up front. So the gearing is meant more for hills than for flats. So it does top out at just over 30 miles an hour. However, this thing has plenty of power to get you to where you need to go. No qualms about it. Only thing I would change is I wish we had some disc brakes on here, but these V brakes will do the trick as long as you're not ripping it like I usually do on the way to work. V brakes are very nice around town, very modular, easy to fix, inexpensive. We'll take a look here at the cockpit. Turn this puppy on. Got this sweet little display here, up, down, power on button. Boom, hello. Oh yeah, got 90% battery. Let's see if we can, odometer 3 miles, range 37 miles, trip 3.4 miles, just took it up the hill. Max speed so far 33.1. Got this grip shift on here. I'm actually super digging this 7-speed grip shift. Put the throttle on this side. This thing will frick. Look at that burnout. Oh my God, the power on this thing. This has got, that's pedal assist 1. Here, we crank it up, pedal assist 10 or 9. I think 9's the highest it goes. Man. Oh, this thing rips. Plenty of power. It has this, it has the wattage. I'm wondering how much watts it's putting. Super cool looking display. Got the wiring all tidied up real nice. Here's the throttle. Tied that into the display here. Got the thumb settings. This one wires up into here. It does have a USB port under here if you want to charge anything. Really clean install. I did put this cool little light here. So far, I can't get that light to work. Not really sure how, but I did wire it up into the internal cable routing just to clean things up a little bit. Couple zip ties on the down tube. Unfortunately, there's no come on guys, focus here. There's no mounts under the down tube except for way down here for zip ties, so that's just how they're gonna have to live. Got the motor, have the wires for the motor coming up through this small triangle here, and the rear chain stays. Have the speedometer right there, nice and installed. That's not going anywhere. Everything's got dielectric grease on all of the cables, connectors. Even put some shrink wrap on here to make sure that no water gets into these connections. And then we're coming up here, wiring. Again, more shrink wrap on the wiring connectors for this cool looking battery. Got the 48 volt, plenty of power out of the 48 volt. Just have that mounted here to a rear rack. Got a couple bolts under there. Looks real good. Really happy with it. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you have any questions. Cheers.